Hi there, I'm Dan with Interplant Sales. I'm going to run a Landis OD grinder for you here today. It's a 2R universal. Start the machine up here for you. Work head is variable speed. More jaw chuck on there right now, but that can come off and put a dog plate on there. Most people use dog plates. It's got plunge on it with incremental infeed. It's quick action release here. We'll start to spindle on it. There's the spindle. Already in the infeed cycle on it. You adjust the infeed rate right over here. This handle here adjusts how much it infeeds each cycle, each time it indexes. You also can change it from to just left or just right infeed. Right now it's on both. So each index of the table it's infeeding. You got Terry left, Terry right. This is table speed here. You want to slow it down or speed it up. Right now I'm slowing it down. It's real slow. Speed it up. So there it just went through the plunge. Finishes the cycle, it backs off, and then it backs off the head, so you're ready for the next part. And then once you reload the part in there, then you just hit this lever here, and then it starts again. And then it will automatically start infeeding again. So it's a really nice setup. Terry left and Terry right is just how much you want it to pause on the end where it switches direction. You just adjust these to if you want it to pause more or less. Got a one-shot lube here. Nice quiet spindle on it. Also can be ran manually, obviously, if you don't want it to auto infeed. So we'll feed until it gets to the 0 point, and then it'll automatically stop, and then the head will retract. Running machine. If you have any questions, give us a call.